This is OpenClaw. It's an AI agent that runs locally and can execute commands with full system access. And I wanted to see if I could run it on an old ThinkPad but without paying for any API keys. So the plan is to run OpenClaw completely locally using Ollama on the same machine, which already feels like a bad idea on hardware this old. Before I can even use OpenClaw, I need an operating system, and I'm going with Ubuntu Server because it's lightweight, it doesn't waste resources, and I can manage everything over SSH from my main PC. So Ubuntu got installed and I'm currently SSHing into it from my laptop, and I'm currently installing Ollama on it for the local models because I need that before I actually install OpenClaw. So let's see how local AI models will run on this ThinkPad. For this ThinkPad, I think Llama 3.2 will be a good model, but we could change that later on if I notice that OpenClaw is not running well with that. But for now I will just try that model and I will see how it will perform. So I just asked it for the definition of AI and it kind of responds really quickly, so I think that model runs pretty well. The only question is if it will run exactly the same on OpenClaw. So Ollama is installed and now the only thing is left is to get OpenClaw running on the server. So let's just copy paste the curl command to install it. Okay, so OpenClaw is ready to install, but since I've never installed OpenClaw, I found a tutorial on how to install it, and I will just follow that and install OpenClaw with it. While this installs, I just want to say that we are really close to 4,000 watch hours, so if you're enjoying the content and you want to support the grind, dropping a like will really help to push this video out to more people so I can finally stop putting the fries in the bag. Okay, so OpenClaw is pretty much installed now. The only thing left is to get into the OpenClaw UI. The only thing is that I can't really access its local IP. That's why I will install Tailscale. Okay, so it turns out I don't actually need to install a Tailscale or anything else, since I can configure the gateway and to set it to work also on LAN. So let's see if that actually works. So changing OpenClaw to run on LAN was pretty easy, but since OpenClaw doesn't really allow traffic to go through the LAN, I still had to add some configurations to the JSON. So after some trial and error, I finally got it up and running. As you can see, I'm connected to my OpenClaw instance. Now the only thing is left to do is to get the model connected to it. So I will watch the tutorial, continue to watch it, and hopefully I can get the Ollama model up and running. So as you can see, I got OpenClaw finally running, but for some reason the model takes a long time to respond. I tried with a simple hi message and it's still loading. I waited like 5 minutes and it's still loading. The server, I tried age stopping and it shows the CPU usage is maxed out. At this point I was actually devastated because the CPU usage was at 100%, which meant that OpenClaw was definitely talking to the server. It just started to think about my hi message for about 30 minutes. And I'm guessing it's because it injected a bunch of system prompts before sending it to the model, which slowed everything down, because beforehand when I ran the model locally by itself, it was totally fine. And then after 30 minutes, I finally got a response. So if you guys know what I messed up, please save me in the comments. I'm pretty sure if I used an API model, it would have been way smoother, but we're on a broke developer setup right now, so that couldn't work.